I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I have less color in this batch than the other one, it looks like, which I'm actually okay with. But I do like the colors. I'm glad I went with the pinks, red, and green. The fragrance discolors to a light yellow, so the white is, as you can see, has that kind of yellowish tint. But I don't think it makes a difference at all. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells like a watermelon, and it is the first watermelon fragrance that behaves. Most watermelon fragrances accelerate, cause ricing, have really low usage rates. This one was Coastal Watermelon from, oops, it just missed. This is where the two pieces met up. The Coastal Watermelon from Wholesale Supplies Plus has a 6.8 usage rate, and it doesn't accelerate or rice. It is a slow mover, and I was a little leery going into this. I wasn't sure I believed it, but when I did this, I had plenty of time to work with the design. So yeah, my new favorite watermelon. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. I love how these turned out. Oh wow, this end got a little more color than the other end. It's pretty. I like it. I am super pleased with these.